brand new Tesla Model Y, we're going to be Clearbraing the entire vehicle, the whole car, from bumper to the back bumper, and we're also going to be tinting it as well. So let's get started with the process.
Get out the way, Haywood.
Stop being so mean to me. The best time to clear by your car is immediately after you get it, because the paint will only look worse in time. Being this is a new Y, and now that all the panels are protected, it's going to stay looking like this for years. Two of my favorite qualities about Clearguard Alpha, the film that we use, is how glossy it makes the paint look and how hydrophobic it is. You can see all the metallic flakes pop from the paint, so honestly it looks even better than factory. But the best part is the water beading. Built into the film is this hydrophobic top coat, so water just beads right off of it, making your car easier to clean, and it looks really cool. And last but not least, we finished off the entire project with Photosync window tint on all the windows. Sides and back are 30, big sunroof, and the front windshield are 70, so that way it's still nice and clear. The ultimate window tint for maximum interior comfort.